After installation, you can use this button to turn on or turn off the machine. And open the front case. You could unscrew the bottle and put the Hydrafacial solution you bought. Put this into the bottle A, B, C. And bottle D is for facial foaming cleanser you mix with water. On the back side of your machine, it has 3 bottles. Those are waste bottles. When you notice this is more than 60%, then you need to unscrew, pour it, clean it, and then you put it back to the machine. No matter which bottle you are going to uninstall, you need to make sure you install them back tightly, or else the leakage of air would cause machine to lose suction. In the actual treatment, you don't need to do every handpiece by the order of your screen display. You can start with anyone you want, but usually we will start with cleaning. So first thing we're gonna do is to find bubble pen. Select bottle D and choose the last handpiece on your piece holder. You can use soft cotton tissue to cover the eyes, so in that case you don't need to be worried that bubble fall into your eyes. So right now I'm going to start. Once you start, this will immediately inject foam. After bubble stay on the face for 5 to 8 minutes, we can remove the bubble and use nice handpiece. Choose Hydra on the screen and select the handpiece. You receive different size of the treatment tips. Screw in to install. The size with flat surface is usually used for the cheeks. And if you are using the sloped treatment tips, those is usually for the nostril area and the forehead. The larger the gap is, the more suction it will offer. Select the bottle you are going to use and use the dial to adjust suction and the speed of the water liquid. When you're doing treatment on the face, you can use a tissue to hold it, because there will be liquid coming down on the face. So we can start. Try to hold this vertically. and we don't do long dragging on the face, and we do not stay at the same place for more than 3 seconds. We do it tapping by tapping. The next one is the scrubber. We choose scrubber on the screen and we tap start. Long press the power button to turn on this device. And then we can tap again to switch from different functions. The first one is to physically massage the treatment area, to reduce the wrinkles like this. The second is to enhance the absorbing of your skin moisture. And third one we use the most frequent is to clean the blackheads on the nose like this, like this. When you use this device, we don't use it on the buyer skin. And when you want to turn it off, you switch again, or you can directly tap stop on the screen. The next handpiece is on the left side of your handpiece holder, and then we choose VAC on the screen. We can find a case of components like this and put the white cotton filter into your tips. On your screen, P1, P2 until P4, it means the preset patterns. And here, the second line, it means the time gap between each suction. And the third line, it is the duration of your suction, and we can adjust here of your suction power. The tips of using this one is usually at acne marks. We don't use this one on the good condition skin. We don't use this one on sensitive skin. We adjust on the screen, then we use like this. The next handpiece will be in a case like this. We choose spray. This one, it has two functions. If you put purified water, it will wash off the skincare product or any cosmetic products left on the face. If you put skin moisture, water-based skin moisture, this can be a skincare product. We use the dial here to adjust the distance of your spray. This is the trigger. When you spray on the face, you can use your hand to cover the eyes or to cover the nose area when you do the spray. This can also use to wash off the product left on the face previously. The next handpiece, we choose VEC on the screen, and it uses the same port as the previous one. So you need to replace the other one, so you can use this one. And it is designed to massage the skin area, for example, like this, or like this. Then we choose ultrasonic. It has two handpieces, ultrasonic face or ultrasonic eye. The only differences is the size of them. This one is we usually use on the cheeks or forehead. This one is smaller one. Ultrasonic eye is designed especially for under the eyes. You can use this one for eye bag. This one we can start with P1 energy 5 until your client could feel boveus sensation. At first, we need to apply your skincare product because this handpiece is designed to push your product into the skin. This one, we can move it like this. If you're using ultrasonic face, you can use it like this. We don't use this one on the bare skin. Then we choose bio. For this one, we need to start with P1 energy 6. It is designed to stimulate your muscle. We don't use this one on the bare skin, so you need to put ultrasonic gel or laser hair removal gel. Put it on the skin. Tap start, and then make sure the gel is even, and then you can start treatment. Your client should feel the stimulation like a sting. Or on the forehead. The next handpiece, the radio frequency, it will generate warmth. The heat would improve the reproduce of your collagen. This one, we can start with P1, energy 4. We don't use this one on the bare skin, so we need to also apply the gel. We move to the opposite direction of your wrinkles. If you are doing the forehead, if you are doing the chin. so-called hammer. This component is to cool down your skin temperature, and it can improve the vascular. We can use this one after the radio frequency to reduce the swollenness or redness. Here we choose asset, energy 8, and start. This one we can also use the gel to provide a better attachment. The next one, high frequency. We tap start and use the dial here. The first dial high frequency is to adjust the power of your energy. When we use this one, we need to target for the active acne, because this handpiece is designed to kill most of your bacteria or germs. We do it like this, tapping on target area. You have different size of the glass you can replace with. Next handpiece, we usually do it separately. This one is microneedling. We can install the needle here. This is the penetration. This is the turn on and turn off button. After you select microneedle, start, long press this button. It will turn on or turn off the device. This one is designed to improve the wrinkles by penetrating needles into your skin. This one, try to move it vertically. Do not drag on the skin. This is the only invasive treatment of this machine. The next one, PDT light. We can activate both of your lights. Right now we can use both of the devices, and we can choose the combination of colors. Energy, we start with P1, energy 10. There are two ways to do this treatment. The first is you attach this to the skin after your client applied a mask. You can do it like that. Another way is to have a distance.